Need to analyze a YouTube video with NotebookLM? I'll show you how to add a YouTube video as a source and use it together with other documents in the same notebook. I'm using the same Sherlock Holmes notebook from my previous tutorials. It already contains the complete Sherlock Holmes canon from Project Gutenberg, including the 4 novels and the 5 short story collections. Now let's expand this notebook by adding a YouTube video about Sherlock Holmes. To do that, click Add Sources. Choose Websites, paste the video's URL, and click Insert. NotebookLM will process the video and add it as a new source. Keep in mind that NotebookLM uses the video's transcript, so if a video doesn't have a supported transcript, it may not be available to use. Once the video has been added, it appears alongside all of my books. That means NotebookLM can now use information from both the YouTube video and the books when answering questions. Let's try a few examples. First, I'll ask NotebookLM to summarize this YouTube video. In just a few seconds, it gives me a clear overview of the video's main points. Next, I'll ask, what does the presenter say about Sherlock Holmes? This is a quick way to find specific information without watching the entire video again. Now let's ask something more interesting. What are the biggest differences between the YouTube video and the original Sherlock Holmes books? Since NotebookLM has access to both sources, it can compare the information and explain where they differ. We can even ask, based on both the books and the YouTube video, what makes Sherlock Holmes such a memorable detective. Instead of relying on just one source, NotebookLM combines information from everything in the notebook to produce a more complete answer. As with other sources, NotebookLM includes citations with its responses. You can click them to jump directly to the relevant book passages or the YouTube transcript, making it easy to verify where the information came from. Adding YouTube videos is a great way to combine videos with books, PDFs, websites, and other sources in a single notebook. This makes NotebookLM even more useful for research, studying, or quickly exploring a topic from multiple perspectives. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.